right, hey, what's up, y'all? So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Paul C. Tiarina. I'm a nutritional therapist, lifestyle, and performance coach in Las Vegas, founder and creator of the SHT, which stands for SuperHuman Transformation. And I am here today to talk about something we're really excited about. It's a new program that we call SHT Vitality. Now, we are in very uncertain times. And depending on when you watch this video or listen to this audio, we will probably still be in uncertain times. And when things feel a little bit out of control, the most important thing to focus on are the things you can control. And we'd say the most important things that you can control are the things that make you healthy and happy. Because being healthy contributes to physical, mental, and emotional resiliency that will allow you to thrive through any situation, no matter how uncertain or how uncomfortable. Being healthy means being strong. Again, it means being physically, mentally, and emotionally resilient. Being healthy means being happy and emotionally stable. Being healthy means looking and feeling and performing well. And being healthy means building a strong and robust immune system. So now is the time, if there ever was a time, now is the time for us to make health a priority. Because for many of us, we have the flexibility and the time that we didn't have before. And for many of us, we've had our routines completely thrown out the window, which means it is the perfect time to focus on a health routine and the things that make you healthy and the things that will finally contribute to you becoming the kind of person that you've always wanted to be. Now, the big question is, what is the information that we need to learn to be our healthiest version of ourselves? And where do we learn that information? Well, we'd say that we need to focus on three main things. Real food with a focus on metabolic health, optimizing sleep, including learning about how to improve duration and quality of sleep, and then cultivating a mindfulness practice so that we can work with things like anxiety and depression and stress and sadness and all the different emotions that come over us on a regular basis. And then the question is, who do you learn from? Well, like many of you, I was lost for most of my life when it came to health. I didn't even realize it until I hit rock bottom. All right, then I found the power and the gift of real food and ancestral health. And I had such a personal transformation that I decided to move to Las Vegas and empower others with my unique message. So since 2010, we have mastered, and when I say we, the people that we work with, the hundreds of clients that have come through this private office, the thousands of people that have been through our group progressions, we have experimented with, experienced, and mastered all the successful real food methodologies, including paleo, primal, Weston A. Price, low carb, ketogenic, even vegan and carnivore. And we've done the same with sleep. We've learned how to master and optimize sleep, and we have been practicing and teaching meditation and mindfulness for over 10 years. So we'd say we are a great organization to learn from, because with the combined experience that we all have and the feedback that we've received, this is what cultivates the methodology of the SHT. The SHT is a methodology that has been honed over a decade, and it is also a community of support. All right, so we sat down recently to figure out what is the information that we want to communicate to people. How do we keep this simple? Because in the past, to be a part of the SHT, you would have to go through a 10-week program or an 8-week program. And for a lot of people, that was transformational, but it was also a huge commitment. So we sat down recently and tried to figure out what is the most important information, what is the most powerful information that we can deliver in a concise amount of time to give people the results that they're looking for, and also give them the experience of this community that we've built. And so this is what we call SHT Vitality. Now, vitality, by the way, means developing health, the physical, mental, and emotional resiliency to thrive in any circumstance. And that's what this is all about, all right? So the program is built on 3 meetings. It's a 3-part series. Each meeting is an hour long, 45 minutes of live presentation through Zoom with 15 minutes of live question and answer. All right, each one of these meetings should be spaced out about a week apart. The first meeting is going to be focused on real food, and within real food, we're going to talk about the importance of nutrient density, how to nurture metabolic health, and how to eat in a way that overcomes and undoes years, if not decades, of insulin resistance. All right. The second meeting will be focused on optimizing sleep. We'll talk about how to improve your duration and your quality of sleep. And then the third meeting we'll be talking about mindfulness and how to cultivate a mindfulness practice and how to use the skill that you learn in that practice throughout the rest of your day and life to address the things that we mentioned before, like stress and anxiety and sadness and depression, all the different emotions that come over us. All right, each one of these meetings is going to come with its own guide and handouts. And then as a bonus, we also have a virtual Whole Food shopping tour. We have a virtual food prep class. And then we have chronological checklists with each one of these foundations so that after the meeting, you have this step-by-step process to implement to keep you on track. And then the thing we're most excited about is we're going to give everyone access to our online community, which is something that we've just created that we're really, really excited about. Now is the time, if there ever was a time, now is the time to make your health a priority. All you need is the right information, which is what this class is all about. All you need is a little bit of experience, which is what this class is designed to give you. And all you need is a little bit of support, which is what our community is all about. So whether you are brand new to us looking for a life change, whether you are a veteran that needs a refresher course, or whether you are an experienced veteran that's just looking for the latest and greatest and looking to support us, we cannot wait to see you at this next meeting. All right? Let us know if you have any questions.